Hi, I'm Farhad Rohani Muqaddas. Welcome to this Python tutorial for beginners. In this series, I'll teach you everything you need to start coding in Python, whether you're completely new programming or just switching to Python. This course is for you. Let's get started. Before we start coding, we need to install Python. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on Downloads and install the latest version of Python for your operating system. Make sure to check the box that say Add Python to Pass before click Install Now. Once installed, you can check if Python is working by opening the command prompt and typing Python dash dash version. Now let's write our first Python program. Open your text editor or Python built-in IDLE, create a new file and type this simple line of code. Print hello world. This command tells Python to print hello world to the screen. Now save the file as python.py. We go to the location we saved the file, right click and select open in terminal. In Python, variable store data. You don't need to specify a type. Python assigns it automatically. Here are some examples. Name equal Alice. Age equal 25. Height equal 5.6. Is a student equal true. Print name, age, height, is a student. As you can see, Python support different data type like string, integer, float, and boolean. Now let's run this code and see the output. Great job! You just written your first Python program and learned about variables. If you found this video helpful, please like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. See you in the next lesson.